Hello, good morning student. Welcome to our English class. Today we will take It So Happen, chapter number 8, Jalebis. What are jalebis? Children, you all might be knowing. Jalebi, when the name comes jalebi, we all are tempted. The mouth is full of watering, isn't it? You and I, we all have eaten jalebi. It is an Indian dish. Yes. Now, today we will see chapter Jalebi, what is Jalebi and how a boy, a 5th class boy, he is tempted towards Jalebi. Okay, he is an honest boy and but temptation is also overall temptation, we can't do anything. So, Munna was a student of 5th class. He was studying in 5th class, he was very clever boy and he got very good marks in 4th class and he was getting scholarship every month of 4 rupees. That time in those days 4 rupees was worth, no. So, he was he was coming from a very good family also and he had name also because he was a good boy. And he was studying in 5th class as a government school and he was going to school with 4 rupees. That time, those days, children used to take the fees and pay in the school. Now we have online and everything, parents are paying the fees. That time, that boy, student used to take the money. So, that boy, Munna, he took 4 rupees and he went to school. But bad luck it was that day his sir Ghulam Muhammad was on leave. So, now he thought what to do with that 4 rupees. So, he was going to school with 4 rupees in his pocket to pay his fees, but his teacher Master Ghulam Muhammad was on leave. He was on leave. So, the fees could not be paid that day. On his way back, so they announced that the sir is not there, he is on leave. So, the fees will be taken on the next day, following day. So, now he took the 4 rupees and he is going back home. So, on his way he saw that halwai, he is making jalebi and when he saw the jalebi, he is tempted towards the jalebi, but he thought, no, I am a good boy, I will not do this, but he is telling that the pocket, the money, the coin in his pocket, it started speaking. Coin does not speak, you know, no. So, but his inner mind, inner thoughts are coming, that he is saying that coins were speaking and they were telling him to buy the jalebis. So, the coin in his pocket began to jingle, means when two coins are together, they make some noise, no. So, that is called jingle. Now, coins, he is telling that coins are speaking. Have you ever heard, student, coins are speaking? No, they will never speak. So, coins do not talk, but that day they actually spoke. He is saying that they are speaking. It is not true. So, 1 rupiah said, now his mind, he is telling, 1 rupiah said, what are you thinking about? It drew his attention to the fresh hot jalebi. Means, again and again, his attention was going on the hot sweet jalebi with the sweet syrup. He told Munna that they were meant to be eaten. He is telling that these rupees, this 1 rupiah or 4 rupees, this is meant not to pay the fees, but to eat the jalebis. Only those with money in their pocket can eat them, and money is meant to be spent. Money is there in the pocket, not to keep in the pocket, but it is to spend. That rupiah is telling. Reason for not following advice. Now, he did not follow the coin's advice. He is not following the coin's advice. Why? Because he is a very good boy and he is very good in study, he is honest boy. So, he is not coming very quickly in the crab of that coin. So it was the money for the fees. He is telling that this is the money which I have to pay the fees the next day. How could he spend it on jalebi? How could I spend this money on the jalebis? He is telling. He won't show his face to his teacher and God. He is telling, if I will do this is wrong. So, if I will do this wrong thing, how I will show face to my teacher and to God, he is telling. Then beside this, he was a good boy. He got so much to eat at home. He is coming from good family and he is lot of things to eat at home. So why he has to buy jalebi and eat like other children? So he considered even something in the bazaar a sin. He is thinking that looking at something and get temptation is a sin. If Master Ghulam Muhammad got angry, he would keep him standing on the bench. Then he is telling, if Master Ghulam Muhammad, he came to know that he had spent the money fees, school fees on eating jalebi, he will punish him. He belonged to a well-to-do family, so he enjoyed great prestige. Therefore, it was not proper for him to eat jalebi standing in the bazaar. He is coming from well-to-do family, good family, so he is thinking, if I stand on the road, on the street and eat jalebi, if people will watch me, what they will think of me? That prestige will go down, he is thinking. Now, behavior of the Rupaiya. Now, the Rupaiya again they are telling him to do something wrong. The Rupaiya did not like what Munna had said. They began to speak at the same time. Again they started speaking. Again his inner conscious is speaking, not that Rupaiya, his inner conscious, it is speaking. They made such a loud noise that the passers by stared at him with surprise. He is telling that those who are passing, they can also hear the jingling of that coins. So they were now, so he held them tightly in his hand, in his fist. So he took all the Rupaiya and he did like this in his fist, so that it will not spread and not make noise. So he did like this. Okay. So they were now silent. Now when he caught like this in his hand, they were silent. They were not making any noise. They were now silent. The oldest Rupaiya told him they were trying to tell him something for his own good. Now the oldest Rupaiya is telling that we are telling you something for you that is good for you. He would get the scholarship the next day. He is telling he will get the scholarship the next day, and with that scholarship he can pay the fees. Then he can pay his fees. For what he is getting scholarship, student? He is getting scholarship because he had scored good marks in 4th class. For that he was getting every month scholarship of 4 rupees. So he is thinking, the Rupaiya is telling that you can pay this scholarship to Ghulam Muhammad on the next day. The temptation. What is temptation? Means when temptation, we are falling in temptation. Means what we should not do, that we are doing. No? So Munna could not overcome his temptation. The Rupaiya went on telling him, pursuing him to eat jalebis. Now they are telling, and he also is, his attention is on full jalebis. He fall in temptation. So he rushed out of the house bare feet to eat jalebis. He was in the house and now he is without wearing his shoes. He is running out of the house to buy the jalebis. He ran towards the bazaar. He told the halwai to give him a rupee worth of jalebi. He took 1 rupee jalebi. He went to the halwai and he took. And those were not expensive days. 1 rupee could fetch more than rupees 20 does nowadays. Now 1 rupee, now it is worth 20 rupees. So the halwai heap of pile of jalebi he kept on the newspaper. When he took 1 rupees jalebi, that he took the newspaper and he put the heap heap of jalebi on that newspaper. The halwai newspaper, he took the jalebis and ran into the street. He took the jalebis and he ran into the street and he ate. He ate many jalebis. Now he is eating the jalebis and he could not eat so much. So now what he is doing? When he is not able to eat, now he is giving all the left jalebis to the children, all the children of the street. Now neighborhood boys. The boys from the neighborhood assembled in the street. They got assembled and he was giving the jalebis to them. And Munna began to give jalebis to the children around. When other children heard about it, they also came there. When the other children, as they came to know, all they gathered at one place where Munna was giving jalebis. So other children also got. Munna ran to the halwai. Now he is getting very happy. Why? Because all the children were coming and he was thinking that as if they are giving MLA or something, they are giving clothes and food to the people, no? So that feeling is coming in his mind. So again he ran to the halwai and got 1 more rupees jalebis, and he bought 1 more rupees worth of jalebi. He distributed them, these jalebis, among the children. A huge crowd of children gathered around him, and beggars too came there. Beggars also, they also came when they saw that jalebis were given by one boy. So all came, and the children were so happy that they could have done anything for him. Munna bought jalebi for remaining 2 rupees. He distributed them also. So all the 4 rupees he spent on jalebis now. Munna's problem. Now what happened? What happened when we eat too much? If we eat one thing too much, then what happened? What problem you face? You might have also faced sometimes. I and you both. So Munna returned home. When he returned home, digesting the jalebi was not a problem for him. A brush came with every breath. When he ate too much till here, when he was taking breath, that it was coming out from the mouth, that jalebi was coming out. So he ate so much jalebis. So there was the danger of every bringing out a jalebi or two. He had to take his dinner also. Now at home he had to take his dinner, but how can he take his dinner? Because that jalebi was still here and it was coming out also, 1 or 2 jalebis. Otherwise he would have been asked why he did not want to eat anything. He want to take dinner, otherwise he would be asked why he is not taking dinner. So he pretended, if he had pretended to be ill, then they may call the doctor. So now his problem, he is in great difficulty. The result was that he lay coiled up like a jalebi during the night, but he was able to digest the jalebi. Now he, like jalebi is coiled, no, like this he slept and he was able to digest the jalebi now. Now another problem came. Which problem came now? We will see that Munna faced another problem. He went to school the next day. When he went to school the next day, what happened? He found out that he won't get his scholarship. He will not get his scholarship. Why? The scholarship he will get the following day. So now it was to be paid next month. Master Ghulam Muhammad had announced that he would take the fees during the recess. He came. He was Muhammad Ghulam master was. He came and he announced that he will be taking fees during recess time. But when the recess bell rang, Munna left the school. He left the school. He bunked the school and he came out. And on the way he prayed to God to arrange 4 rupees for him. Now on the way he came and he is praying to God, please God give me 4 rupees. So will God give like this 4 rupees? No. So he reached the railway station. The elder had given advice that you should not cross the railway. We are giving advice to children now, don't cross the railway track, don't go near the railway track. So they told that elders had advised. So the elders had given him warning. What? First, he should not cross railway track. Second, he must never eat sweet with his fees money. The elders has given him advice. So first, that he should not cross the railway crossing, and second, that he should not spend the school money. Now Munna's absence from school. Munna sat under a tree near the railway track. He started thinking. Now he is not going, next day he is not going to school. He bunked the school. He started thinking about his miserable condition. He is thinking that what I have done, isn't it? So the matter had looked simple and straightforward. This was because he could pay the fees with the scholarship money. If he had known that it would get the scholarship next month, he would have not spent the school fees. So he would get the scholarship next month. He would not have bought jalebis. Now he was absent from school for first time because of jalebi. Now first in life he was absent from school because of the temptation of what? Jalebi. Because of the temptation, he had bunked the school. He felt like crying. He started thinking about his fees and his teacher came. He closed his eyes and began to pray. Now he is praying to God that God will help him. He prayed to God. Munna prayed to God to help him. He said that he was a very good boy. He has never done any. He has offered namaz. Namaz is Muslim prayer, and from Quran they do prayer. So that namaz, he even know the last 10 wordings of the Quran by heart. He can recite the entire namaz. He can without he know the namaz, he know the prayer. So he is now telling God that I know everything, and you please help me to give 4 rupees. So he made a mistake, but he was not alone to make a mistake, but he was not alone to eat jalebi. He felt them to the large number of children. He prayed to God to put only 4 rupees in his bag. Now he is telling that I have done the mistake. The other children, I have given the jalebis to the other children. So he is telling God to please help me and give me 4 rupees. There was no shortage of anything in God's treasury. He was asking only 4 rupees. Now he is telling God, that in your treasury there is no shortage of money. So you can give only, I am asking for only 4 rupees. You give me 4 rupees and put in my bag. But it is possible? No. So if like this, if God fulfill each and everyone's demand, then wishes and demand, then man will never know what is life. He will not work, isn't it, student? So now Munna's disappointment. After the prayer, he offered namaz. He also recited this namaz, and then he blew over his bag, saying, like he is blowing and he is doing all the thing that so that he can get the 4 rupees, but he is not getting. But he was disappointed when he didn't find even 4 paisa in his bag. He felt like crying as loudly as he could. He felt like crying because he is not getting not 4 rupees, not 4 paisa also. He was very tired. He got up from there and walked to the bazaar. He waited for the school bell to ring. He would go home with that. Now he is waiting so that the school bell will ring and then he will reach home. Now children, So he wanted to show that he had come straight from the school. Why he is doing like this? So that parents will think that he is coming from the school. Same time he is going home. The next day also he decided the same thing. The next day also he did the same. He again prayed to God to give him 4 rupees. Munna's game with God. Now he is playing game with God. He is telling that I will go and touch the signal, but by that time you keep 4 rupees under the one rock. So he is going there. He is telling I will not turn back. So you keep the money there. So he is playing game with God. Munna suggested to the God to play a game. He will go from the here to the signal. God should secretly place 4 rupees under that big rock. He will touch the signal and he will touch the signal and come back. It will be a great fun if he could find 4 rupees. He is telling, when I will come back and see find the 4 rupees, it will be the great things. Once again he touched the signal. First he went and touched the signal and came. There was, and when he saw money was not there. Then again he is going and again he is coming back. He was about to leave. Now once again he touched the signal. He was about to leave. He once again looked at the rock. He saw the worm sitting on it and staring at him. Now next time when he went, he saw a big worm was under the rock, and he went and staring at him, looking at Munna. So he ran from there. His next day's program. What was his program? While going, he was thinking of doing same thing the next day. He will wear clean clothes and come here. He will keep reading the namaz. Now again he is thinking the same, that I will go, I will wear clean clothes, I will do prayer, I will do offer namaz, and then God will give me 4 rupees. So even then God does not give 4 rupees, he will make a deal. The report of his absence from school had reached home. Now what happened? He was a good student. When he is not going to school, when he did not reach that message, went home. So now what happened? That parents were thinking where he was. He was a very good boy, and where now he bunked the school for 2-3 days. Now he had reached home. Later on he kept on thinking if there could be any harm if God had sent him 4 rupees. He realized if God gave everything for him, man will not know better than birds. He will not learn to do anything. This is because he will get everything without effort. Yes, it is true. Now he is thinking that if God will give for everyone, then men will not work. They will not know the importance of life. So what he is thinking, if God fulfill each and everyone's wishes, then a man ever work? No. Then will a man ever understand what is the importance of life? Then if God will give, if we will ask and God will give us, then we don't know the importance of the struggle and the importance of work and the importance of life. We will not know. So he is also thinking the same way. So what is the moral, student, here? What is the moral? That every step we take, we should think what we are doing, what we are going to do. Means look before you leap. Means you should think 100 times before you do anything wrong. Anything you do, you have to think. And if means to say lie is also not good. What he did, he bunked the school and he spent the money, and see now how he was in the difficulty. So that saying is there, no, God help those who help themselves. What is the saying? God help those who help themselves. If we will sit idle, will sit one place and will tell God, please give me money, please give me food. No, we have to work for that. Okay. So the moral is God help those who help themselves. Okay. Till then, student, take care. Thank you.